Changing the language on your Android phone is quick and only takes a few taps. Whether you've bought a phone in a different language, you're learning a new language, or you simply want to customize your device, Android makes it easy to switch between supported languages. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest way to change your phone's language. Go to the Settings app. You can do this by swiping up from your home screen to open the app drawer, then tapping the Settings gear icon. Next, scroll down until you find General Management, then tap on it. On some Android phones, this option may be called System or Additional Settings, but the steps are very similar. Now tap Language. This is usually the first option in the General Management menu and displays the languages currently installed on your device. To add a new language, tap Add Language, identified by the green plus icon. A list of available languages will appear. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to use. If you don't see your preferred language, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and choose All Languages. This will display every language your device supports. After selecting your language, you may be asked to choose a region or dialect if multiple versions are available. Pick the one that matches your preference, then tap Apply. If prompted, confirm that you want to make it your default language. Your phone will take a few seconds to update the system language. Once it's finished, menus, settings, and many supported apps will appear in your newly selected language. Some third-party apps may continue using their own language settings until they are updated or changed individually. And that's it. Your Android phone is now using your preferred language, making your device more comfortable and convenient to use every day.